Now come to exercise 2.5. Say first question. Which is greater? See the solution. First part. It is 0.5 or 0.05. Here you have to compare from first digit, that is 0. It is ones place. Here it is 0. Here again it is 0. So it is common. After decimal, now tens place. Tens place is 5 and here it is 0. Which number is greater? 5 is greater than 0. So straightway we can write it as 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Now come to second part. 0.7 or 0.5. Again start compare from ones place. Here it is 0. Here also it is 0. Then after decimal, tens place. Here it is 7 and here it is 5. The 7 is greater than 5. So directly we can say that 7 is greater than 5, or we can say 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Now come to third part. It is 7 or 0.7. Here say, here there is no decimal. It means this is ones place. Ones place is 7 and here ones place is 0. The 7 is greater than 0. So we can say that 7 is greater than 0.7. Then come to fourth part. It is 1.37 or 1.49. Here compare these two decimal numbers starting from first digit, that is ones. Here ones digit is 1 and 1, it is same. Now after decimal, first digit, that is tenth place. Here it is 3 and here it is 4. Which number is greater? That is 4 is greater than 3. So we can say that 1.37 is less than 1.49. Now come to fifth part. It is 2.03 or 2.30. Here compare with tens place, ones place, that is here it is 2, here also 2, both are same. After decimal, tenth place, it is 0 and here it is 3. Here 3 is greater than 0. So we can say that 3 is greater than 0, or we can write it as 2.03 is less than 2.30, or 2.30 is greater than 2.03. You can write this also. Now come to sixth part. It is 0.8 or 0.88. Here Again start comparing both decimals from ones place. Here it is 0, here again it is 0, both are same. After decimal, 10th place, here it is 8 and here it is also 8, both are same. Now after decimal, second place, that is 100th place, here it is not written, it means it is 0 and here it is 8. 0 is less than 8. So we can say that 0.8 is less than 0.88, or this can also be written as 0.88 is greater than 0.8. Now come to question number 2. Express as rupees using decimals. So say the solution. First part, it is 7 paise. How will you do this? Here in 1 rupee, how many paise are there? It is 100 paise. Therefore, 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. So 7 paise can be written as rupees 7 into 1 upon 100. Multiply it, we will get rupees 7 upon 100. Convert it into decimal. It can be written as rupees 0.07. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is 7 rupees. 7 paise. Here we know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Therefore 1 paise equal to 1 upon 100 rupee. So this can be written as rupees 7 plus rupees 7 upon 100. Convert it into decimal. This can be written as rupees 7 plus rupees 0.07 and then add it. What will you get? Rupees 7.07. This is your answer. Now come to third part. It is 77 rupees. 77 paise. We know that 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Therefore 1 paisa equal to rupees 1 upon 100. So 77 rupees 77 paise. This can be written as rupees 77 plus rupees 77 paisa. Convert it into rupees. The 77 is multiplied by 1 upon 100. That is 77 into 1 upon 100. Convert it into decimal. This can be written as rupees 77 plus rupees 77 upon 100. Convert it into decimal. This can be written as rupees 77 plus rupees 0.77. Then add it. We will get rupees 77.77. This is your answer. Now come to fourth part. It is 50 paise. Here we know 1 rupee, it is equivalent to 100 paise. Therefore 1 paise equal to rupees 1 upon 100. So 50 paise can be written as rupees 50 into 1 upon 100. Now it can be written as rupees 50 upon 100. Converted into decimal. This can be written as rupees 0.50. This is your answer. Now come to fifth part. It is 235 paise. Here 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Therefore 1 paise can be written as rupees 1 upon 100. So 235 paise can be written in rupees as rupees 235 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Multiply it. You will get rupees 235 upon 100. Convert it into decimal. This can be written as rupees 2.35. This is your answer.